kind of the best one first. We got right before your eyes. You guys have not seen that cake or had it. It's crazy. This one was this Brittany? Oh no, Lucky Cat. RKM.
Is this Brittany?
Well, there's one that's called Brittany. Leave Brittany alone, which is similar. We got No Fooling Around, which I haven't seen yet either. Kind of the graphic Dementors back there. Corona Killer. Compound, so the 2-piece. Big and Beautiful, right? 66 shot 2-inch. Then we got all the new cereal. You know, when we're hungry, shooting all this off, we can get the Lucky Charms. First time seeing this cake. I know it's relatively new, so we're excited to shoot that. I haven't watched the video. Did you watch it? Austin didn't watch it either, so none of us know what it does yet. We have shot Morbius, but
I ain't never seen what this does either.
Brad has not seen it. And then I picked up Neo.
Person, but I've seen the video.
Neo 200 shot. Morbius is like 140.
I think it's 150.
150, 200. I forgot to go over the numbers a little bit. What's Corona Killer come out to?
318.
318. So
159.
I think Dementors is 100. No Fooling Around is 130 shot. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff here. Hope you guys enjoy the video. It's gonna be nuts.
You already know.
You already know.
Subscribe.
Yellow Jacket.
All right, go for it.
Yellow Jacket by Stinger brand. This is really
Yeah.
Just came out in time.
Oh yeah, not bad.
not bad at all.
I like the. Take two. Hopefully I don't get something in my eyes. Dude, that's a sick red, white, and blue. I might need to get some of those.
Dang, man.
Pair them with that 2-inch one I got. All right, I'm ready. No fooling around. Forget how many shots this was.
130.
130, yeah.
Yep.
We haven't seen this one.
This is 130?
Yeah. Should be pretty loud. Oh, that's sick. Listen to the echo.
That was 130 shots.
Run! Karen Killer. Oh, that one's a little slower. That was not bad. Okay. All right, baby.
Coco Puffs.
First time I've ever seen it. Coco Puffs.
Yeah, this is a good one.
Banger. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go, baby. Boom. Bumpers. Oh yeah.
Damn!
Told you.
God, dude, I didn't know it had salutes at the end.
That's a thumper.
Oh,
16 shots.
oh shit.
Dementors. I like that firing pattern. That's sick. Already hitting it. Yep. Oh, that's a good hang time.
Hey.
Double. Comes the salutes.
Okay. Here. Ah! Whoa! Gotta go check them though. Okay.
Listen to that echo.
Damn, dude, you can feel that in your chest.
Yep.
Morbius. How many
We
shots?
fucking 150. Morbius.
I'd die if I took it up.
Bang! That's so bright. Hell yeah.
I'm not carrying that.
All right, big and beautiful.
Hit it!
So then you can have
Let's say I know I can't do that, man. Good job, bro.
Let's see it.
on my desk.
I hope this is a slapper. I hope it's a slapper.
Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, yeah. It's different. I like that. Oh, yeah.
150.
blue is nuts. Ooh, yeah. Thank you. That's a bad mofo. Damn. That's a bad mofo. I did not expect that.
I'm gonna take the side off the Morbius. No, I'm talking about the Neo, man.
So we got Corona Killer left.
Wait a minute. All right,
Vampire God.
That's A. All right, we need B. Main fuse.
Bad boy. Still got my Neo. Still got my Neo over here, which I took the top off.
It's because we got it back.
We got right before your eyes. And the Thunder King. Big bore. No name. Alright, here it is. Corona Killer. 318 shots. Hopefully it all goes. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. It does have salutes.
It does have salute.
Nice.
Fucking nice, dude.
Oh shit. It's got a lot more effects than the OG. Hell yeah!
Hey, is this
Motherfucker,
Allie?
I'm gonna buy me another one.
Yeah! It just keeps going. It's on the second one, right? Follow me. Yeah! Woo! That's right.
Killer, bro.
Hell yeah.
Would
You like that one? That was a good one, huh?
No.
Yep. Neo. Listen to these salutes. Jeremiah, listen to these salutes. They're going to be pretty good.
Has it got some at the beginning?
All through it. wearing them Sallies.
Oh!
Yeah. Yeah. Neo. So sick.
Come on.
There they are. Dumped it. Come on. Yeah. There they are. Damn. That's just a solid freaking cake
He
right
said
there,
we need
dude.
6 of those.
I told
Hey,
you that
that's
thing.
one of the best 200 shotters
Matt,
on the
did you see
market.
the one
Here goes, Brad. Vampire God. Brand new. There's like one video of it. Let's see it. See if it's any good. Hopefully. It'll be good. Good start. Oh. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Here she goes. Nice blue. Nice blue. Hell yeah. No. Oh, it's still going. Thank God. Woo, crackle. Hell yeah. Damn, fills the whole sky. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That was badass.
No, dude, it's done.
That was badass.
Cake, bro.
Dude, that blue fan, oh my God.
I don't care if it has salutes in it or not. That's a bad.
25 shot Thunder King. Make some noise. Yeah. Not too bad. I like the tail. That's a good Thunder King.
cover up with a
Right
cooler?
before your eyes. Thumper. I'm gonna go way up.
Damn.
Could feel that. Low brake. Yeah. That's right. Woo-hoo. Double. Oh, not double yet. There it is.
Double.
Listen to Echo.
Jeremiah, you're so amazing.
It just ended. It